We got this in the mail today and we're so excited. So Harper's gonna open number 1.
Look, guys, subscribe to this one.
What is in there?
I think that's a squishy thingy.
So this is an advent calendar. You can just push them down and open it up. Characters in there. Okay, Sawyer, open one up. And then they come in a plastic bag.
Oh, I got a little shark.
Let me see the little shark.
You can open
Oh my gosh, that's so soft.
I know. I'm getting the elephant.
You have an elephant?
Yeah. And the show. Me and Sawyer squid. Yeah, I love shows.
Touch it. How does it feel?
It feels weird. Oh, it's not my
Weird in a good way.
This feels really on the bottom.
Squishy.
Let's see what's in this one. Oh, it's a snail.
Okay, next.
Hi guys. Oh, it's a snowman. Snowman.
We've found a unicorn,
I found out.
Santa,
It's
octopus,
This is prickly. I forgot the name, but I know the.
porcupine.
Yeah.
So you just push these in and open every little character is wrapped in plastic.
Oh. Good. I think this is a bird. I think this one's a penguin.
Woo! And we got dinosaur, and they're all squishy and soft.
Yeah, Mom, get.
Got them? So this would be a great gift for Christmas. As an advent. All the days, and look at all those squishies. Santa head and snowman. There's 2 elephants, 2 kinds of unicorns. Harper, which one is your favorite?
Just because it feels
Why is that one your
good on the top because it has point in it, and I like when it sticks to the bottom of my hand because it's sticky.
fun? Sawyer, is that one your favorite too? And which one? Show me. Why is that one your favorite?
Because it's wow, like I said. Wow.
Yes, so this is an advent calendar, and you get to open a squishy every. Isn't that fun?
It's insane.
It's all so nice and.
What the cat?